Okay, I did this roof last week. This is a flat roof. Remember that always flat roofs drips on the edge after rains for a couple hours because it's flat. I got extra foam right here on the edge used to divert the water, but as a precaution or courtesy, because this is the main entrance, people don't want to see dripping after the rain, especially when they walking with groceries. They want to sit here drinking their coffee, enjoying the mountains. That's because I made this custom J metal. I'm gonna slide it under just to prevent from dripping, and you're gonna see the final product at the end. Also, always check your level. You want to leave the J metal completely flat. Beautiful. Remember, work clean, little touch up if it is necessary. Work professional, make customer happy. Beautiful J metal installation under foam stop edge metal. No more dripping when I'm sitting here enjoying my coffee. Beautiful. Touch up, painted.